It's the other side. As you can see, I've pulled the cam off and I've put in a tool now. This bar here is part of the compression tool. What you do is you screw this bracket on this side, you screw the bracket on that side, and this bar goes across there. That's where you use your leverage. That's part of the socket set I bought. It was about 50 quid online. It's got, you know, you got the pliers in there, special pliers to pull the oil valves off, and you know, you got the leverage tool there to lever off. Now, it took me ages to figure out the position. I thought at one time that I can only lever a certain way, but I couldn't lever another way because there wasn't enough room, the handle was catching. And then I messed around with the holes, different holes and different settings on the bar, and it does actually, you can actually do it. It looks impossible, but you know, if you spend a bit of time playing with it, you can do it. Right, that's all the rags in the holes, the drain holes. I'll just get some more rags and just kind of cover this area here, you know, all the nooks and crannies. Just cover them, because if something drops you can probably catch it before it gets into those nooks and crannies. I just quickly forgot to say that the bolts that I cut here, the original bolts that I cut here to put this bracket on, I had to cut a third off the bolts, the long bolts. I had to cut a third off, pack it with washers and put it down there. But this side, however, for some reason the bolts are shorter. He won't take the long bolts, he takes the shorter bolts on this side. So I had to cut the original bolts in half, 50% off, to get that sort of to fit properly in there, otherwise it wouldn't screw down as well. Right, got my rags, give it a good shake. Right, let's go ahead and plug the first hole in. There, don't want anything dropping in there, no way. That'll go down to the bottom of the engine sump. That's the drain points. Right, I'll carry on and do the rest. Here are all my new bolts, which I bought from Mercedes. All the bolts that are going. All the bolts. There's a lot of bolts there. A lot of bolts to go back there, which goes on the rocker cover shaft crossings. New gaskets for the rocker cover. It would be a sin not to replace those, because they are one of the things well known for leaking. So you know, it's like kind of, you don't want to do all this again, so just make sure you replace both rocker cover gaskets. Then you got the Mercedes oil valve seals. They were half the price, even more on eBay and etc. But I'm only doing this job once. I don't know what quality is on eBay. At least you know these are Merc ones, and you know they're going to be sort of a good quality.